This video is a review of the Deko Drill, mainly for the ladies who may not have anyone to show you how to use it, but you have like need of a drill. Because I just want to show you how to change out the drill bit, because it was hard for me to find that information, and the instructions show you how to do it, but it was still kind of challenging for me, and someone showed me a tip, and maybe you don't have someone to show you a tip, so I'm going to show you. I think this is a good drill for having, like, I think all ladies should probably have, you know, this, and this information might be beneficial to, you know, men too, but just, I think this is a good for handy projects around the house to keep. So this is a good toolkit, I think, to definitely buy it. Not for anything like major, but definitely just like, and you know, hanging up stuff, installing stuff, whatever. So for me, I installed a home security devices. It required that it was mounted to the wall, and that meant that I had to use a drill bit in order to puncture the wall first, then to use the screw to actually screw in what I was trying to do. So that's what I just want to show you real quick. The instructions tell you to change. This is called a key chuck, a keyless chuck, and the instructions say to loosen, you use sleeve B, and to tighten, you turn sleeve A, which is this smaller section here. But that was kind of like challenging for me. But if you see that this here, that's where the tool would go. It's coming out, and this is where you would tighten it. But what you can do is lefty loosey, righty tighty. So this is to lock it, so you can't do anything with it. If you press the button on the left hand side, that will, and then you hold just the part of sleeve B to open it up and insert what you need. So here is the bit that you actually put in order to use it, like if you wanted to use it as a screwdriver. So this is a Phillips head part of a screwdriver. You would put that into this and the whole thing in here, and then you hold B and you would press the button on the right hand side and push it in and try to grasp B and hold up the bit so it's straight, and then move it until it's tight in there, and then you would just see, actually doesn't. Okay, and then you would just do whatever you needed to do. And for the drill, for the little drill part, you would just stick it directly in here. And again, pushing it in, the button on the left-hand side in is what loosens it to open it up, and then pushing it on the button on the right-hand side is what tightens it, but you have to hold sleeve B and then try to hold up the bit so that it's just going to get in there, what's it called, straight and evenly, and then you would turn it until it starts to tighten on the bit, and just make sure you're constantly making sure it's straight. And then you see that and then you would just use it to drill the hole, and then, you know, put in another bit in order to secure the screw. So anyway, I just wanted to show somebody that, because this is a good little drill to buy, but it might be difficult trying to understand the chuck part, exchanging out the, switching out the bits. So I think it's a good drill. It comes already charged. It has a charger, a cord to charge it here, and it pretty much has everything that you would need in it. So I think it's definitely a good buy, good purchase to have, and it's a good drill. But again, for like just little house stuff, not anything major, I think it's definitely worth the buy. So I hope that helps.
Okay, so I bought this a couple of days ago and it came pretty fast. I already used it a few times because, yeah, it was pretty cool. But everything is in there. These little things here, they come out of place and go all over the toolbox whenever they film. So it's like they don't really have a place to sit. Other than that, you have everything, like a little hammer, the drill. The drill works wonders. It has a light indicator when you need to charge it. And then you have all your extra things up here. This here is the downfall. What is a socket wrench? Something like that. Don't judge me. I can't remember my words right now. But I cannot find out how to use this thing. I thought this piece here was supposed to be for this part, but it's not. So for the life of me, I cannot figure it out how to use a socket wrench. Is this called a socket wrench? Can't remember. I don't know, but I have to buy a whole nother socket wrench to even use what I need to use. Because this ain't working. I don't know. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, but yeah, and then you have your measuring tape. Because I was trying to use these. I connected here. But it doesn't. But when I turn it, it goes in, but I can't use that side because I be needing to use this side, not this side. I don't know. But I'll figure it out. Can't use it though until I know what I'm doing with that one. But other than that, it has a little blade. Has this measuring tape, drill, hammer, and all the other extra stuff up there. Oh, you have extra blades. Once this one gets dull, you can like a whole bunch of extra blades in there, which is pretty good, nice. Other than that, they have different colors. You ain't got to get pink, but I figured I'd get pink. But yeah, go ahead, purchase it. Really nice, cute, and good, durable.
So this is the, let me see, the Deco. I got it in blue and gray. It comes loaded with tools, and I guess I just feel like this is loaded because it's a lot for me. I'm not like a tooly person, so I guess this is just a lot for me. But yeah, it comes with a lot of stuff that most of it I know I'm gonna need to be using like around the house to like do things. So this is really good. This is really good. And this right, the little, what is this called? A drill. Oh, a drill. It came already charged, so you know, got the wiring reverse. I mean the forward, reverse, just push it all the way through. Yeah, so it comes all the way charged. That's the bottom part of the charge. It comes with, this is the charger. This is a C port, I believe. So yeah, it comes with everything you need, like a little starter kit for stuff or whatever. So yeah, it's really good for anybody, especially women like me, I guess, that don't know what they do. But yeah. Okay, it's good. Y'all can get this. This is nice. Yeah. I forgot how much it was. I think it was, I don't know, like $60 or something.
Mm.
This is a very, very good power tool set, especially for a woman who lives alone. It's really, really nice. It's charging, no batteries needed. Forward, reverse, in the middle, doesn't move. It tells you it needs to be charged. The little power cord comes with it. Oh my gosh, the hammer is so cute. Oh wow, I didn't even see this under here. Wow, this is very nice. If you are on the fence about buying this, please don't be. Run and put this in your cart and purchase ASAP. I'm so glad I bought this. Wow. I don't even know what half the... Oh, look, this is extra blades. Got a blade cutter. Wow. Yeah, this is worth the money. Yeah. Very worth it. Okay. Oh, this is so nice.
Maxi, mira,